What job were you trying to do at NCR, or what problem were you trying to solve there?
So what we were trying to do was have a shared environment that our customers and our team, because we're a global company. So someone from Atlanta may be trying to see how the load quality was on an order that shipped out of Nashville or out of Boston, and you would have to have access to a SharePoint site. You have to have the pictures weren't easy identified. You had to sort through 1,000 pictures, and none of them were ever labeled and searchable in a format that worked for them. So I thought, you know what, I've got a way to do that. I've seen it. I know it works. So that's when I brought that on. I was like, here we go. And I gave them a test of it, showed them what the what capabilities it had, and they were like, hey, let's do it. I like it. This is great. This is better than taking a picture, going to my computer, uploading it, saving it to a drive, and then giving somebody a link and say, hey, all your pictures are here. You figure out which one you want.
Yeah.
So
that's great. Yeah, it sounds like that really improved that process there. I've used SharePoint before and felt that pain. So yes, definitely familiar with that there. And
does LoadProof help you, like save time, the time that you invested previously in SharePoint and now using LoadProof? Does it help you save time?
Tremendously in saving time, not only from just using SharePoint, but from the process. So with the application, you take the picture, you assign it to the load number, which in our case is the order number. So when someone asks, like, it saves money on that, but it also saves money in other ways. We get a claim back from a customer. Hey, this has happened thousands of times, even since we brought this over to NCR for the last 2 years. Hey, we're missing our server. You guys didn't ship us our server. Pop in the order number and send them the picture and say, no, here's your server on the pallet. If you didn't get the printer and the monitor, then you didn't get any of it. But if you got those two, this is on the same pallet. You had to have gotten that one as well. So we'll deny that claim. And if you want a server, you get to order a new one or submit a claim to the carrier. So that's helped us save money there, as well as one-stop shop for the person that's uploading the pictures. It's all from one device and not having to go to multiple devices, having responsibilities and rights to a computer and SharePoint sites. Right now, you're trying to control costs. So the few licenses that you give out, the better.
Yeah. Yes. So it helped you save time both in like searching pictures and in dealing with the customers and in all aspects, right?
All aspects, multiple areas. And then when you added video, that was another process that saved time and money for us. So that was a game changer. That was a big improvement you guys made. I was really happy to see it.
Perfect.
That's great. That's great. And yes, definitely, we want you to take advantage of that video and using that, seeing which areas that we can implement that. And so what results did you achieve, through all of that and that switch, making that switch? You mentioned that you resolved some issues and,
so the results that we achieved was we ended up with a shared platform across the business, not just in our team, our department, but across sales, procurement, operations. We gave them a shared platform that everybody was now able to see the same information. If you want to know where an order is, the tracking numbers or the pictures of how the load quality looked, everybody is able to go online. The customer wants to know, hey, how can I see the pictures that you guys took? I can send them a link and they can log in and see the same things. And it's shared. It's a shared environment for multiple people. So that was a huge benefit. The video, at that point, we were doing videos anyway. So having two different platforms, one for pictures and one for videos, that was cumbersome. So when you guys brought on the video and we were able to use that now, it fell perfectly in line because we were like pretty much devastated by the tornado that took place in Nashville. We lost everything. Our business completely was destroyed by the tornado.
Wow.
So with it coming back online with the video at the same time, that kind of rolled right into our new process. Now you can take the video and the pictures from the same platform, and we don't have to re-implement and restart that video process we were doing before. Everybody already knows how to use LoadProof. Now you just click on the video instead of the picture, and it works out perfectly that way. So what it has done is it's made the process of not just load quality proof, but accountability. It's improved accountability between the customer and our internal clients, because we are a 3PL provider. We don't do any shipping and receiving of ourselves. We pay a third party to do it, like a Kinco, but we use a different third party. So now we're able to hold them accountable to take the picture for the customer's purpose, but we can go back and look at that same picture and say, look guys, this looks like crap. you guys are doing a terrible job for our customers. This is not how we want our product to show up when it arrives. So it really holds both NCR, the customer, and our third party accountable for the quality of our product that we ship out.
Yes. Yes, and that's exactly what we want. You know, those improved discussions with those, you know, with your customer and with the transportation